All right, guys, so we're going to be working on some rhyming skills today, and then I'd like for you to, you're going to come up with your own rhyming word for all of these endings. So we have og, at, it, up, and m. So essentially, rhyming is just taking these endings, leaving them the same, and changing the first letter that goes with them. So we're going to focus on og first. So I'm going to pull og down here to the center. We're going to read each of these words together. So this is og, hog. To make a rhyming word that goes with hog, I take the H off and I put a different letter in the front. Og, mog. So now I had hog and mog. And let's make another one. I'll change the front letter. So now let's move this up. I have og, dog. So now I have 3 rhyming words with the og rhyme. So I have dog, mog, and hog. So I'm going to move my onset. These are called onsets. The very first sound back up to the top. Let's try it with a different ending. Let's go with at. So I have the rhyme at. Let's move some letters down here. Okay, let's see how these words rhyme. So I have at, fat. If I move this up, I have at, cat. So I have cat, fat, and let's move this all the way down. And I have at, hat. So I have hat, fat, and cat all rhyme. All right. So now let's try it with let's try it with up. The ending. I have the rhyme, which is up. So I'm going to add, and they don't have to be real words. They just have to rhyme. So I'm going to change this front letter to make these rhyme. So the first one I have is up, dup. Then I'm going to change it to up, mup. So I had dup, mup, and up, cup. So now I have dup, cup, and mup. Whatever ones I put, those are all going to rhyme because I've changed the beginning, not the end. All right, let's do one more. Let's do it. So I'm going to try with this one, and this one, and this one. It doesn't really matter which one you put at the beginning because, like I said, they don't have to be real words. So the first word I have is it, hit. Then I can move this up to have it, mint. So hit, mint, they rhyme. And then I can go down to have it, fit. So I have fit, hit, mint. So if the words have the same ending, then they are rhyming words. So now what I would like for you to do is take all these endings. So we have og, at, it, up, and m. That one's a little bit tricky, but I could have cam or cam and fem or fem and dem. I want you guys to make a rhyming pair for each of these endings. So you're going to have 2 words for each. So I'll have maybe cog and fog. But you guys can also use letters that I didn't use up here at the top. So if you guys want to use S or whichever, W, whichever ones, you can use different consonants at the top. But you're just going to write a rhyming pair for each one of these endings right here. I don't know how to stop this.